All right, let's move on. Let's do one more theorem. We're going to do a circle again. So we're going to take this circle, put it right here. You have a pass?
No, we just got back from the
Oh, okay. You're with Coach Day? All right. Was that Jameer's grandfather? Okay. All right, so watch what we're going to do. I'm going to draw a tangent. Let's see. Let's see what it says. Girls, are we listening? Listen to what it says. It says if two segments from the same exterior point, girls, it says if two segments from the same exterior point are tangent to a circle, then what? So what I'm going to do is draw, let me draw this. So just any point out here, okay, any random point. What I'm going to do now, though, is I'm going to, from this point, I'm going to draw tangent to a circle. I'm going to draw a tangent to that circle, okay? Now, it's not going to be like this or like this. What's it going to be? It's going to be right here. And I'm going to stop right on the circle. So where does it hit the circle? Right there. Okay? You agree with that? So watch what we're going to do now. Let's do another one. Let's go from here, and let's go. Is that the only tangent from that outside point? Now there's another one. There's one on this side too, isn't there? See, I could keep going. Now, I'm not going to stop it there. I want to stop where the end of that tangent is on the point of tangency. So I'm going to go, where do you think? About right there? Yep, that looks good. Now check this out. This is what it says. I've got an exterior point, okay, a point outside the circle. And if I draw a tangent to the circle here and I draw a tangent to the circle here, it tells something's true. Can you just eyeball it and kind of guess what do you think might be true? That's right, those tangents, okay, to that point of tangency. Now remember, a true tangent is a line. It keeps on going forever. So I'm saying from this outside point to the point of tangency. Okay, that cuts it into a line segment, doesn't it? All right, so.
Do you have Dalton Lewis?
I do.
Is an early dismissal.
Okay. All right, so those two sides right there are equal to each other. All right. When is that true? When you're taken from a point outside a circle and you've drawn a tangent to the circle. Both of those tangents, both of those lines right there are equal to each other. All right. Pretty easy, isn't it? All right, let's check out an example with this. Okay, here's the example. It's let's see, example 4 on page 720. And here's a point outside the circle again. And we're going to draw this tangent to the circle. So let's see, about right there. Does that look about right? And let's draw one. Now again, if we come out here, that wouldn't be it, that wouldn't be it. We'd have to bring it in to about right there. I'm kind of eyeballing a little bit. Might not be exactly right, but it's pretty close. Now, what must be true about these two? We just said it. Congruent. They must be congruent to each other. Let's see what they do on the example. This is really not that hard, but you can see where you can use this stuff. They say that that side is x plus 15. This side is 2x minus 5. Wow, it doesn't get any easier than this, does it? So if these are congruent to each other, what do we do with those two things? Yeah, just set them equal. We got some time here, so let's just go ahead and do the math on it. Plus 15, subtract x, add a 5. X is 20. What about the length? Now, I don't know. Do they? Yeah, they just say find the value of x, but let's just have a little more fun with it and find the actual length of this. 35. So what's the length of this? It's 35, right, because 20 plus 15. Now, this should be the same thing, is it? 40. 2 times 20 is 40, right? Minus 5, yep. It's 35, just like it should be, so that's the length from here to here. So you can definitely see where you can have some practical uses of this. It's not too hard, is it? Nah, it's pretty easy. Tangent stuff's easy, and I think we do a little bit more with tangents. Yeah, we do. On 10.6 and maybe even, yep, 10.7 we do. So the next really 3 lessons, 5, 6, and 7, or the next 2 lessons plus this one, all have something to do with tangents. So let's not forget what we've learned so far. We're going to learn a little bit more as we go on, okay? So let me take a look here what we're doing today. It's section 10.5, obviously, and it's page 722, and it's 13 to 27. All right, so that's your assignment right there. Page 722, 13 to 27. Any questions so far? All right. All right, that's it for section 10.5.